Do you ever find yourself lying in bed, your phone glowing in your hand, promising yourself that you will put it down after just one more scroll? Next thing you know, it's 1:30 a.m., your eyes physically hurt, and you're filled with exhaustion and regret. You tell yourself that you're just relaxing, but the truth is, you're numbing yourself. You're avoiding the stress you didn't deal with during the day, avoiding the thoughts in your head, and avoiding the feeling of being behind in life. Your life will not change until your nights do. How you end your day directly determines how you start your next one. Most people believe that the body automatically recovers the moment they close their eyes, but that is a myth. Your body has to be prepared to recover, and that preparation must start hours before you go to sleep. If you are ready to stop fighting your days and wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and in total control, here's the exact science-backed routine to transform your life one night at a time. Step 1. The physical disconnect. First, stop eating 2 hours before bed. When you eat late, your body shifts into digestion mode, sending blood flow to your stomach and raising your core temperature. Deep sleep requires the exact opposite. Give your system a 2-hour gap so your body can actually repair itself instead of fighting to digest. Step 2. The shutdown ritual. Most people end their workday by just fading into the night, which keeps their brain spinning. You need a shutdown ritual. Close your laptop, mentally acknowledge that work is done, and physically leave your workspace. Next, take just 5 to 10 minutes to declutter your space. Clear your desk and put away your clothes, because a clean bed equals a clean mind, and high performers do not sleep in chaos. While you're at it, set yourself up for a successful tomorrow by laying out your clothes, packing your bag, or leaving a reminder note on your mirror. Make tomorrow morning entirely frictionless. Step 3. The biological signals. About an hour or two before bed, you must drop the blue light. Blue light from your screens blocks your brain from producing melatonin, the only chemical that pulls you into deep sleep. Dim your room lights, turn on night mode, or even use red smart lights to give your brain the darkness it craves. Then, take a warm shower and do your basic skincare early in the evening. This is not just about hygiene, it's physiology. A warm shower pulls blood to the surface of your skin, so when you step out, your core body temperature rapidly drops. That drop sends a massive signal to your brain that the day is over and recovery is starting. Step 4. The brain dump. This is the step almost everyone skips, and it's exactly why you cannot fall asleep. Your brain is trying to hold on to too many unfinished thoughts. Grab a notebook and do a brain dump. Write down what you did right today, what you did wrong, and your top 3 priorities for tomorrow. Write down every worry and every idea, because if it's written down, your mind no longer has to carry it. You can even pose one important question to your unconscious mind to mull over while you sleep. Step 5. The wind down window. For the last 30 to 60 minutes before bed, enforce a strict digital detox. No phone. You're landing a plane and you don't want to slam it down. Lower your room temperature to around 72 degrees. Activate your rest and digest parasympathetic nervous system by spending 5 minutes stretching, meditating, or simply sitting in stillness. You can also read a fiction book or a biography. Just avoid anything highly stimulating. Finally, step 6, the contract with your biology. Go to sleep at the same time every single night. Your body runs on a biological clock called the circadian rhythm, and it doesn't care about your busy schedule. It only cares about consistency. A fixed sleep schedule is not just a habit, it's a contract with your own biology. Honor it. You have everything you need right now. Most people will finish listening to this and go right back to their old, chaotic routines. But you don't have to be most people. Don't just wait for someday. Pick one small step, just one, and do it tonight. Your tomorrow is waiting. Sleep well tonight.